I'm now just going to show you how to properly pack up the Forbes 15 Plus. To fold up your bed is nice and easy. You can leave all your bedding and pillows on there. Simply grab this end, lift it up, reach under and slide the bed towards you. Fold it over. You can grab the handles. There's handles either side, or underneath, pull it up nice and firm against the bench and this cupboard. Now you can fold up the back section. Packing up the fold out section is so easy. Undo the latches at the top, pull them down out of the way. Now we can lower down the window section. It's on gas struts, so it'll carry its weight. Press that down out of the way. Now we can lift up the bed base. What I do is I step up onto the spare wheels, which makes it easy to do the latches in the top corners. So simple. Now we can fold in our wing panels, put them into place, twist and drop the latch down. Same with the other side. Now we can fold down our roof. Press it in firmly and push the latches in. Make sure you're feeling that you can compressing the rubber seal behind it. You'll feel it as you do it. Now we can raise our spare wheels, lock up the latches and put all the pins in. Make sure the latches do up firm. Now I'll show you how to secure the pins and the linchpins. So in detail, imagine this post is upright. We take our pin, put it through, grab the linchpin, put it in the hole and flick it over as such. With the over center latches, we lock it in place, then insert the linchpin in through there. Before we pack down the roof on the Forbes 15 Plus, you must lower the bunk bed handrail. Depress the red button and simply fold it down. Now we're ready to lower the roof. When packing the roof down on the Forbes 15 Plus, we always start with the back. There's two half scissors on either side that will guide it down into the right position. Simply make sure your little chrome toggle is out of the way and pull down on the handle. Pull it down all the way until it comes firmly down on the main body of the caravan. Now we can lower the front. Now lowering the front is the same as lowering the back. Move the little tab out of the way, grab the handle and pull down. Pull it all the way down until it comes down firmly. Now we go and latch all four corners of the roof before we even think about traveling. Now that our roof is down, we can do up the latches in all four corners. Put it over the lip, pull it down, and make sure you put the little linchpin back through this hole. Packing up the awning, first, retract the legs. What we do is we tuck them up into the fascia here. Press the hinge end in first, clip it into place into the clip. Always do this evenly and carefully. Now we can flick the switch for it to retract. What I'll do is give it a little bit of support until it gets half of the way in, and then it'll take care of itself and it will actually switch off when it's fully retracted. When packing down your camper, you need to consider what electrical configuration you want. If you're running a fridge in the fridge slide, you'll need to leave this switch on. If not, just simply switch it off. That'll cut all the 12-volt power. Your Anderson plug will still charge while you're driving, and your solar panels will still work while you're parked up. If you are running a fridge, leave it on and leave the fridge switch running as well. When deactivating the hot water system, switch it off at the Truma controller first, then switch it off at the panel, both the hot water switch and the water pump switch. When packing down your kitchen, before you disconnect the gas, what you want to do is turn the gas off at the bottle. So turn off the gas bottle firmly, then you can unscrew the fitting by turning it to the right. If you've retained the little plug insert for your gas bottle, put that back in and that'll keep dust and water out of the fitting as well. Release the pressure through the cooktop. Just turn the burner on. That'll get rid of the gas pressure, which will make it a lot easier to remove the bayonet fitting. Once that's done, push the bayonet fitting in, turn it anti-clockwise and pull it straight out. Now you can pack the hose up back underneath the kitchen. When packing up your caravan for travel, it's important to return the Truma gas flue back to its original setup. So we've turned the gas off, we've turned off the system, we've allowed this to cool down, and we return the white plastic cover to there. Then we close up our main cover, lock it up, and the gas hot water system's ready for travel. Packing up the kitchen, start with our wind surround. Fold it into place. Lock that down in its groove and close it up. And remember to return the little bungee cord to its original position. With the sink, fold the tap down out of the way, close our dish rack, and again, return the bungee cord to its position. Make sure your little retainer clip is in front of the cupboard so that can't open by accident. Now, we can remove our support leg, pull the pad bolt up out of the way so it slides in easily, and as I said, always use this handle here. Don't use this handle to do anything. As we get it almost there, just give it a bit of a push. You'll hear it lock into place. Twist the pad bolt and return it to that position. That kitchen is now secure and we can close up our hatch. Folding up the steps is easy. Simply put your hand in the back, push down on the bar and lift at the front, and you can push it away and lock it into place. Or what I find nice and easy is using my foot. Saves the back, too easy to do. Now, packing up our van, we must remember to raise the stabilizer legs. If you don't, it's going to be the quickest trip nowhere you've ever had. So we put our brace back in, get it locked on, and wind our stabilizer leg up. It's retracted now. We pull the blue handle out again, lift the stabilizer leg up, let go of the blue handle and give it a shake until it locks in securely, and now that one's ready to go. And that's how we properly pack up the Forbes 15 Plus.